feel me? We in the cut. What? What, the DGI?
What's she doing?
Yeah.
Mom.
That shirt live, Justin. I ain't gonna lie. The shirt is live.
What?
But we also got the goddamn offset charger wrap. No, challenger wrap. Y'all see this, man? So we about to do a whole test on the road with this thing, man. Obviously, I'm gonna be in the passenger side, and I'm gonna see how it is for the first time. But Merry Christmas to everybody that got a Christmas, that don't got a Christmas, that people that not celebrate Christmas. Merry Christmas, you feel me? But we in the cut with it, man. The shirt, man.
Rocking that. Pavement, man.
What it's called?
The pavement. You gotta hit the God, not people, man. Listen to here is a running mouth.
Bro, that rap is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. The rap is fucking crazy. Alright, we'll be back. Why y'all just standing like that, dude? Oh my god, dude.
Count paper till I fall asleep. This shit. Money slow, yeah, street money fast. Brand new bands for my bitch came with a bag. Buy the whole store, I remember. Niggas claim they having real motion, faking for the real. I been having motion since a kid, just doing that for real. You won't fuck the bitch, she ain't that. We pushing pace, they come across the wall.
Ain't no back for me to go crazy.
Wonders like can't none, but you missed the 27.
That Hemi is the best muscle car to upgrade, because you can't do too much to a shaft.
Man, what the fuck going on? Motherfucker got a Fury? Damn. It's a fucking GTA server out here every fucking day.
Man.
God damn, bro. Being downtown is like being in fucking Gotham City, bro. Oh yeah, that long tube header sound crazy.
That's just long tube headers and a straight pipe. Nigga, I got straight pipe and I did something to my cam.
God damn.
And my oil pump,
That shit sound already.
My oil pump is a Hellcat oil pump.
This already sound crazy though, like that shit.
I put them headers and them long tube headers on here. This bitch gonna sound even crazy.
Damn, that is.
I don't even got an air intake on my shit yet.
What?
Yeah, I don't even got that on there yet. I only just got the cam, the lifters, and the oil pump. And I got a tune. That's it. Other than that, I don't got
What the fuck? I didn't even notice that. What the hell?
What?
How the fuck you don't got an air take on that bitch?
Yeah, I don't got no air intake under there.
What?
Like I got the regular one.
Oh, like
The
you don't got
stock
it.
one.
You got to stock
got
one
the stock
down.
one.
That's.
And I didn't even change the filter on that shit yet.
Out the corner, out the corner. Yeah, out the corner, book. Yeah, how it came. But no, he doing good. We told him box, stay on your jab, don't engage if you don't have to, and stay out the corner. But no, he doing good though. Good work. It's good to work with stuff like this though. That was a good shot, Book. Good shit, Book. Oh, good shit. Oh, good shot. He just so big. My bad, my bad.
You said what?
Yes, bro. Oh my God, I used to have this shit. What, SS app?
Yeah.
You just talking about that?
Yes, sir.
Golly.
I can tell you fuck with this shit,
I
and you
missed
fuck.
this shit. I missed this shit. I used to have an SS, bro.
He had the one I wanted.
I used to have the SS, bro.
My boy said,
What you do to
what? But love this car, man.
Yeah, bro. I had to get rid of it. I had to let her go, bro.
Names from the goddamn charge.
Look at me. That hoe's still slow as a bitch. Gapping that shit. Damn white skirt.
Boy, got that Shelby. Oh my god.
500 make a nigga.
Shit.
You get on
I
my
know, you
motherfucking
know.
nerves, nigga. You get on mine.
Yeah, you already know what type of time. Bro, oh my god, GTS. I like this. I like that. The C6.
Nah, fuck the
C6 with a drag
fuck
pack.
that. Nigga, you see this fucking Terminator sitting right here?
Oh, I didn't even know that. I didn't even see it. It's outside, man. They got the taco truck. Yes, sir. Mark 1. Ooh, this. Oh, that's a bike. Got the CA going crazy, looking crazy. I knew you, bro, at CC's. You was at CC's the other day.
Yeah, it was.
Something keep on telling me. I didn't want to say nothing, but I knew who you was. I think I knew. I was like, I might be wrong. I might. That's good. My boy be grubbing at CC's, man. Real shit. Hey, they don't know, man. That's the spot for sure. Real shit. But man, we are inside the garage. They over here playing goddamn 6ix9ine and shit. God damn. Got this SS Camaro old school. Golly, that's that original big thing. With the G-Wagon up top. Oh, they got a lot of toys in here, boy. Oh my god. This goddamn Urus is crazy. This Urus is tough. Oh my god. I like that color. My boy started up the Porsche. You got the Ferrari. Boy got the camera out. Hey, okay. That Porsche over there clean. And it says 99. That hoe. Oh my god, that hoe on bags. Lord have mercy. Talking about that mud is clean right there, bro. The pull out is clean. Tough, y'all. God damn, this so tough. I'm about to bust my ass. God damn. That would sound good, that Porsche. But this hoe hard.
So it's like Essence the other night.
Huh?
So it's like Essence from the other night.
Yeah. Yeah, this hoe be turned. I know you know garage. They
Somebody
be turned.
casually put a Coke can on the back of that Porsche.
Bro, this hoe is mean. If you say, look at the kit on this hoe. You know this bitch be moving. On God. Would you take this over at Shelby?
No.
Oh, What? What he
Ain't
said?
that good looking now, buddy.
He said no. Let me think with car.
I'm not taking.
What about a Cobra?
Shelby. That's the same thing.
Oh shit.
I'm taking the Cobra over everything.
That is the same thing. Oh my god, that is. I'm tripping. God, they deep. Huh?
And what's that with like paint splatter on it in the front? Hold up.
That clean ass fox body. Oh my god. Oh my god. That boy bent the cone on that hoe. God damn. Jiffy.
Manual 2.
Holy moly, donut shop. Holy moly.
That nigga spun the third. What's up, boy?
Holy.
I was nigga, I literally saw. I walked past your car. I said, I know that
Look
nigga.
familiar.
I see you before.
Yeah.
This hoe somewhere, bro. I bought the Camaro.
Hey, you don't have a finger?
Taking this motherfucker on low key. The SS. Hey. God damn it! God damn it with the drag!
America.
Show 'em what that bitch is looking like. Oh, he didn't tell me he was finishing off. SS? Oh, what the fuck?
Oh my god.
Oh my god! I'm about to drop to my knees. God damn. Shit, that bitch sexy. This shit sounds like a scat, not a Hellcat though. You got the Shelby pulling. Look at Trey. Trey about to hear some shit. No. Oh, what the fuck just happened? Oh shit, somebody fell off the bike.
And that's why I got a car, ladies and gentlemen. Can't fall.
How the fuck did he fall off the bike? Huh?
It's cold as fuck.
Shit.
What is cold as
He not in the middle of the street no more.
That bitch sound good. Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, bitch, you said it.
This nigga car is standing right here.
Oh, he's gonna crash my shit. He don't know how to slide, nigga.
I see your Mustang.
What the fuck?
Wait, nigga, that's yours?
Yeah, it's his fucking car. So like,
Some 16-year-old boys.
the Mustang.
That Mustang that just...
That's mine.
That's why I'm sitting here like I'm talking
Wait,
to you.
why?
Cause I want to hear it. I never heard my shit like on a flyby or nothing. Second one. This is second.
Oh shit! Oh damn! Oh shit! Not the R8. Oh damn! This damn ass truck about to
Trying to get that check.
They're pushing the fuck out that R8. Alright, so I guess we switched drivers in his car, so this dude about to go AWOL.
Oh, let me get you on camera, brother.
This nigga about to swing the damn mama bins and shit.
Not done? Hey, don't wreck now.
This nigga gonna swing the mama bins.
Oh, you got the wheel for real? Alright, bet.
Niggas.
That shit was ass. Oh wait, I want to see you slide. I want to see you slide that bitch.
What the fuck is that right there?